everyone. Yes, I am back. And it almost been a year since I was first started making videos. I had a plan of how I wanted my channel to go, and I was doing good as long as I made videos, but then I stopped making videos. Now because I stopped making videos, I stopped being focused on my journey, my progress, and everything else stopped. So I'm back. I'm going to be making a video almost every day, and the two things I'm focusing on is organizing my home and weight loss. Now, the plan for weight loss, I'm going to be showing you the chart of, I already started, it's been 3 weeks now. Every day I write down how much I weigh, and or how much I lost, and if I gained or even lost, why I lost that amount. So we're going to talk a lot about that. You can even sometimes see what I'm eating, and I finally found a plan for me for this weight loss. Now, if you remember, or if you was with me a while back, you know I believe in you can lose weight on anything. About consistency with whatever you choose to do, but you can lose weight on any type of diet or lifestyle change or whatever you want to call it. You can lose weight. You can lose weight as quickly or as slowly as you want, considering how consistent you are with your plan. Now, the problem I had before, I didn't really know what I can do to stay on that plan for a lifetime. I realized that weight loss or losing weight, maintaining, it's going to be a lifetime situation that I have to deal with. So I realized that I was going about it a little bit wrong because I haven't chose which plan I wanted to take. I just dived in. I was trying to eat less, and it was working. Like I said, when I was making videos, I was losing weight. Everything was good. But I quickly let my mind start focusing on something else, which was organizing a home, and I stopped thinking about my journey for this weight loss. So yes, I have a passion for both of those. I have a passion for, getting my house as organized and decluttered as possible, and I have a passion for my weight loss and my health to get as good as I personally possibly can get it. So knowing that I love both of those things is now I got to think about how I'm going to be able to do both as far as my videos. Some people come to see me because they're interested in weight loss. Some people come to see me because they're interested in organizing of the home, cleaning of the home, things of the home. So it's two different type of people that comes, and two, because I just stopped making videos, I lost 2 subscribers, which I'm okay with that, because when you do certain things, you have to do it for yourself. You can't do it because of someone else, or else you will never complete your goal. Your motivation will die down, and you wouldn't really do what you originally wanted to do. So I realized that I do need structure in what I want to do. I need to learn how to keep focusing on it, because life gets in the way and you just fall off. But one thing I did like I said, making the videos helped me to be accountable to myself, and it helped me to see what I was actually doing or not doing. It helps it really helped me to grow a lot in the home. But we're gonna talk about the home situation later in another video. We're gonna focus in on that. So anyone that really into the home, don't worry. I'm gonna have videos for you, and I actually want to have videos every day for the home, every day for the weight loss. So I will probably be putting up 2 videos for 30 days. I want a 30-day challenge myself, which I'm probably not going to do for every day. Because like I said, life gets in the way. It's very hard to do the videos every day. I do have time, but I'm working on being able to occupy my time in a very efficient way where I can get the most done. And a lot of times I will sit here, watch TV, do other things that is not really of any importance, and then that took the time that I could have been making a video. So we're gonna see. So I may skip a day or two, but it's for 30 days I'm going to be kicking out videos, because I really believe in not lingering. You want something, hurry up and get it while the motivation is strong. When the motivation dies down, then you already have the discipline that you need. You'll have a new habit that you already have. So when that motivation, and it will die down, when it goes away, you still have that habit left. So even though you may not feel like doing any cleaning or feel like eating certain things, and you want to eat something else because you have a habit of eating a certain way, or you have a habit of doing your house a certain way, you're still going to do it. So that's what we're working on. So I'm very excited about this new adventure and journey that I'm going to be putting out. And like I said, I'm going to be showing you every time I put up a video what's my weight. I may not talk too much about why I'm losing the weight at this time, because you have to find what works for you. I don't want you to focus on what I'm doing, because a lot of times people say, oh, she's doing that and she's losing this weight. Oh, let me do it. I can look. No. Learn your body. This is what it takes a while, but if you start today, you can be so much further in 6 months. Learn what your body likes. Learn how your body works. Learn what type of person you are. Learn what the weaknesses you have. Me and you are 2 different people. So what I do cannot help you. Or it may help you in certain ways, but may not in other ways. But we have a tendency to want to copy exactly what someone else do. And I don't think that's a good thing. Okay? Because you find yourself doing a yo-yo lifestyle. As far as housekeeping, yeah, you can copy that. You can copy, okay, we got to clean the bathroom today, and oh, I'm doing this, doing that. And you can say, okay, I'm going to clean my bathroom because you cleaned yours while I was cleaning mine. Guess what? Now you got to clean your bathroom. So yeah, of course, housekeeping you can copy. Weight loss you can't copy to the T. But I will be giving you points and situations and things that I am dealing with and going through that may be very helpful to you, because you have to understand it starts here. It starts in your mind. It starts how you think about food. It starts how you feel about food. It starts with the knowledge that you have about food and your health and what you really want. And it also starts with what type of bad habit you have. Yes, I have a binge habit. I like sweets, and I found out with the pattern that I write down every day how much I weigh. I found out within 5 days I binged. So I could go up to the 5th day, but I binge. And I binge earlier this week because I didn't work. So I see a pattern. So now I can be aware. Oh, now I know it's about to be the weekend. You're gonna get excited. It's Friday. I can just get a little bit, and no such thing. You're gonna end up eating everything you have that you buy that's not even good for you. So I know that. So every 2 weeks I try to beat my how can I say it? Whatever I lost. I try to beat it. Meaning I try to tweak where I need to be tweaked. I try to fix certain things that need to be fixed, and I try to see actually what's really going on. And it helps you if you write down everything. I do scale training, weight scale training. What that is, I weigh myself every day because I need to know if this food or that food make my weight go up, make my weight go down. No, it's not telling you everything, but for me personally, I don't have a problem. It don't stop me because I gained weight. It just make me realize you shouldn't have ate after 7 o'clock. You should have maybe start putting some exercise in your plan because you're eating regular, but now your weight's done stopped. So what can you do to make your weight continue to go down? So I do believe in weight training. Going further. I mean, not weight training. Excuse me. Weighing yourself on the scale. So I think that's very important. Now, like I said, I'm going to give one video for house cleaning, another video for the video for losing weight is going to be very short. Very short. I'm letting you know. It's pretty much going to tell you how much I weigh for the day, what I ate or didn't eat, and pretty much that's it. I would love to probably put that on the end of my videos that for the house cleaning. That way I really don't have to do 2 uploads. So I'm thinking about that. So anyone that actually there for the weight training, see how much I weigh and my weight journey, will have to go to the end of the video to actually see what's going on with my weight. Okay? So, those that stayed with me all this time, I thank you very much. And we're going to be doing challenges and different things. And like I said, I'm doing another 2 weeks right now. I'm going to show you on my board that I have. And my goal, now my weight, I started at 210 3 weeks ago. I'm down to 199, I think it is. I need to wait and look at the board before I say it. Because I went down to 197, but I had a bench. Took me up to 199. Today, this morning, I didn't start off good at all because I had ice cream sandwiches that I ate, and I ate tuna cakes and grits, which that was fine. The ice cream sandwich might be a problem. I ate a whole bunch of ginger candy and white grape sparkling water. I drank, and I think that's about it. So we'll see what my numbers is tomorrow. I'll make another video tomorrow. So I think it was 199, but I have a feeling it's going to be like 200 and something. But we'll see, and we'll talk then. So you have to come back tomorrow to find out what's going on with my journey. Also, I'm gonna start a cleaning video of the house. I might have to start again with the decluttering, then the cleaning. So we'll see if we can go find some stuff to throw out, and then we'll work on actually organizing and cleaning and all that good stuff. So okay, so thank you very much for coming, and I want to say thumbs up the video or subscribe if you have not subscribed. And also make a comment if you like so I can know you're there. And I'll see you soon. Thank you.